Hi, in this video, I want to discuss how to calculate attendance in HR Tech. But first, let me discuss some of the concept. So, in calculating attendance, at least in the payroll in the Philippines, it's very important to know about the night differential. Okay? So, in the Philippines, night differential is actually the time where the employees come to work between 10 p.m. to 6 a.m. So, if you will look at it, there is a time before the night differential, and that is from 6 a.m. to 10 p.m. And then there is the night differential, which is from 10 p.m. to 6 a.m. But in between this, it's also important to know that there is the midnight, this portion. Okay, so midnight means this is the 12 a.m. Why is it important to segregate between the two? Why do we need to segregate 10 p.m. to 12 a.m. and then 12 a.m. to 6 a.m.? That's because there is a possibility that the next day would already be different. No? Maybe it's not a regular day anymore. It can be that on the next day, it's already the rest day of the employee. And also possibly the next day will be holiday. It can be special holiday or regular holiday. So the thing here is it's already on the different date. So therefore, it's very important to segregate the hours before 12 midnight, from 10 p.m. to 12 a.m. Although this green already covers the whole night differential, but it's also important to segregate because the rate of a night shift in a regular day is different on a night shift differential on a special holiday or a regular holiday, and of course the double holiday. So that's why we need to segregate the 10 p.m. up to 12 midnight. Now, going back to our timesheet, we have here the attendance. Okay, and then here we have the actual time in and time out, and also the scheduled time in and time out. So as I've mentioned on my previous video regarding generation of timesheet, attendance hours, which is actually the focus of our discussion, is actually the breakdown of RWD basic, RWD ND without the OT. Okay, so all of these RD basic, RD ND, SH basic, SH ND, and then RH basics, RH ND. So anything that has no OT will be included in the total of our attendance hours. Now you might be asking, why do we need all of these columns? Why is it that we just make one column attendance and that's it? Well, the reason is, and actually the primary reason is that for every hour that an employee is working will not be the same. So it's different when the hours he work is a holiday, special holiday, or a rest day, or regular holiday. So not all days and not all hours are the same. So it can be also that he's working on the night shift, considered as the night differential hour, that is from 10 p.m. to 6 a.m. So that's why, although it's very lengthy, as you can see there are many columns, it is crucial, it's very important to break down the attendance hours into these columns, because every hour, depending on that hour, on which hour that time falls, there will be a different rate, which I have shown in my pay rate. So it's very important for you to watch the pay rate in order for you to know the concept of what I'm saying regarding the payment of each hour. Okay, so as you can see, there are some hours here that falls on a certain column. Like here, there is 5 hours for HSND and 2.25 hours for HSOT. And then here there is RWDND and RWD basic of 1. So if you look at the total, it will be 8. So 1 plus 2 plus 5 is 8. So in order for you to understand well, I'd like to give you the analysis of the timesheet generated for Kim Yoon. Okay, so on October 1, 2020, so the scheduled timing is from 8 to 5, but the actual timing is 7:50 a.m. and then the actual timeout is 21:10. So this is military time. So this is actually equivalent to 9:10 p.m. So for those of you who are being confused about military time, of course the technique is just you just deduct 12 from any hours exceeding 12, and that means any hours exceeding 12 it's already PM. So if you deduct 12 from 21, that will be 9, and it is already exceeding 12, so that will be PM. So it is 9:10 PM. That's very easy. In fact, if you are used to it, if you look at the number, you don't need to deduct it by 12. You already know that it is 9 when it is 21, it is 10 p.m. when it is 22, and it is 8 p.m. when it is 20, and so on. Okay, you will be used to it already. Okay, now if you look at this actual time in, there is from 7:50 to 9 p.m. So therefore, there will, from 8 to 5, it will be 8. And then here it's RWD basic. It means regular working day. So it's a regular working day. October 1 is a regular working day. So therefore, it is RWD. And the number of hours is 8. Okay, because this is the actual timeout. So there is actually an overtime, but that is not covered in this video. Because what I'm covering in this video is just the attendance hours. So here, it will be 8. On the other hand, on October 2, it was declared in the system as a regular holiday. Now, to know more about how to generate or how to create a holiday in the system, please watch my video regarding holiday. Now here, the scheduled time in and time out is 8 to 5 p.m. So the actual is 7:50 up to 21:10 again, or 9:10. So here, so from 8 to 5, it will be 8 hours RH basic, means regular holiday. So it's not a regular working day, it's a regular holiday. So here, there will be a different rate for this, since it is a regular holiday. Now, on the other hand, on October 6, so the scheduled timing is 21, so it means 9 p.m. up to 6 a.m. the next day. Okay? And then the actual time in is 8:55 p.m. up to 8:15 a.m. the next day. So if you look at it, it already crossed the date, and also it also crossed the night shift. Okay, so it is within the night shift and it is on the next day. Okay, now in the system, October 7, the next day, was declared as special holiday. So there will be a different rate for a special holiday. So in this case, from 9 p.m. to 10 p.m., that will be 1 hour of regular working day. It is still a regular working day because it is before the night shift. Now, from 22 to 12 midnight, that will be 2 hours of regular working day, ND. It's ND because it already falls on 10 p.m. So that is from 10 p.m. to 12 a.m. It is between 10 p.m. to 6 a.m. So therefore, it is night differential. But it is a regular working day because on that day, it is still a regular working day. It's not yet the holiday. Now, from 12 a.m. to 5 a.m., that will be 5 hours of special holiday ND. Why ND? Because it is still within the night differential hours, which is from 10 p.m. to 6 a.m. So if you will make a total of this will be total of 8 hours. Okay, so this is how we break down the attendance hours on October 6th. Actually, there are many patterns or there are many scenarios for getting the attendance hours, and there are many scenarios for breaking it down. But I hope with these examples you already know the pattern. Okay, so the thing here is that you need to determine on, I think you need to remember this. So you need to determine whether the employee is working before the night shift or before the night differential, and then within the night differential, and then on what day it falls. Is it a regular working day? Is it a special holiday? Is it a rest day? Is it a regular holiday or special holiday? So in that case, you just classify it based on that. Whether it's RWD, SH, RH, RD, it depends on which day that hour falls. Okay? So, yeah, that's it. That's how easy it is to calculate attendance in HR Tech. So, if you have any question, please put it on the comments below. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.